Here are the 6 most relevant things to know about the Nuki Smart Lock Ultra. There are 3 main benefits why it's important to change your cylinder to the new universal cylinder. 1. Size. The universal cylinder allows us to maintain the size of the Nuki Ultra because we don't have to worry about fitting a key and a battery inside. 2. Security. The new universal cylinder comes with the highest security certification available. And 3, the modular design, which allows you to have 96 potential size options, allowing the universal cylinder to fit almost every door out there. The Smart Lock Ultra comes with an innovative built-in battery technology. You can expect a battery life cycle of about 6 months. A complete charging cycle only takes 2 hours. The Nuki Ultra also offers an all-new on-door charging experience. In case you don't have access to a power socket nearby, you can always charge the Ultra off the door as well. Thanks to the new brushless motor of the Nuki Smart Lock Ultra, it is the fastest Nuki Smart Lock, even 3 times faster than our previous generation. Here is a comparison between all 3 unlocking modes. You can choose between these different locking modes or set them up automatically so that gentle mode, for example, is already active at night when you're ready to go to sleep. To make the upgrade to your new Smart Lock Ultra as comfortable as possible, we offer easy data migration from your existing Smart Lock. All data is stored locally on your smartphone, and no data is transferred onto the Nuki servers or to the cloud. The new Smart Lock Ultra is compatible with all Nuki accessories, including the fob, keypads, the door sensor, and the all-new universal cylinder. Do you want to unlock your door quickly? We offer 2 solutions: the auto unlock feature and the Nuki keypads, which are available to everyone. Integrating the Nuki Ultra into your existing smart home system is easy. We support the latest Matter standard, local integrations using MQTT, and web integrations as well as Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Furthermore, Nuki offers open interfaces for custom integration scenarios. We hope you have a great experience installing your new Smart Lock Ultra soon.